What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I want to make this video because as creators, we always come to that moment in time that we always making excuses of why we can't create. As you can see right now, I'm creating with a phone as my mic. I didn't bring my mic, and I wanted to create a video and I couldn't. That's what I thought. But I could because I have a mic right here. You have to use what you can. So I'm making this video to inspire, to motivate the creators to create with whatever you have. We need to stop making excuses, because I have to, I'm not gonna lie, make excuses of why I can't create. I don't have the perfect lighting. I don't have the perfect mic. I don't have the perfect camera settings, or I have something. It's always an excuse. So I want to make this video to inspire, to motivate. Stop making excuses. You can create. Go create. Go whatever you got. If the only thing you have is your phone, create with your phone. Like you can see right now, I don't have a mic right now, but I have my phone. So this audio that you're hearing right now is from my phone, an iPhone. So you have no excuses to not create. See, look at this. So my light went out. What I'm going to do? I'm going to keep creating. So y'all hear the beeping. Let me see if I can fix it. I can't right now. But as you can see right now, I'm still not letting that have an effect on me on creating. I'm still creating. I'm still getting it. I'm glad the light came out. So most people would just say, all right, I got to have the perfect lighting. Let's do this video again. I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to make this video again. Like I said, I was going to do with whatever you have. So my light just went out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make excuses? No, I have this light right now. So I just got to make it work. So I'm making it work. I'm glad the light came out. I just want to inspire. I'm going to keep saying that. I want to motivate. I want me to be motivation for you for this video. And just stop making excuses. Go out there and create. Use the tools that you have and make it work. It's people that I run into all the time wanting to make sure they have the perfect YouTube video, the perfect audio, the perfect quality. And I always tell them, use what you got. If the only thing you got is an iPhone, use that goddamn iPhone. Stop making excuses. You can make it with whatever. Build yourself up in time, and then you can get the places that you see other people. Don't look at other people's work and trying to be them. Try to be you. Make your own universe. Educate yourself and create. Stop making excuses. So I'm just basically making this video to see my light's not even right, but I'm not making that excuse. So basically I'm just saying go create. I hope this video inspires you to be great. Just go create. Till next time. Peace out for the game. I am Jonathan Walker, a.k.a. the culture photographer, a.k.a. the guy with the camera, a.k.a. whatever you want to call me. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe. Till next time, peace.